Okay, I just wanted to show y'all my progress here so far. I got the subframe back up, mounted to the car. I got the transmission mounted to the engine. I still got a few more bolts to put in, but again, I'm not putting in all the bolts. I'm just going to put in necessary ones, in my opinion. And basically got to put her back together. Got multiple things I need to do, but either way, it's going together a lot easier than it came apart, it seems like. So I'll update you more later when I make more progress. And I do have one of the bolts in to the torque converter, and I've got it torqued down, but I gotta turn it and get the other two bolts in, because there's 3 bolts that hold it on. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is not the best way to do it. In fact, I don't know what the hell's wrong with the camera right now. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, this is not the best way to do it, because you can fuck up your teeth on your flex plate. But this is just how I'm doing it. I'm just going to do it real careful. Push up on the teeth to turn the flywheel. Now there is a thing on top of this. There is a thing on top of this that gives you access to the top of the torque converter. But I don't know how the hell that's supposed to work, because that hole is so small. That hole is so small that I just don't understand how you're supposed to turn the torque converter like that. But this is just how I'm doing it. You can do it however you want. That's just how I'm doing it. So you gotta do it little by little until you reach the next bolt hole, and then the third one. But I'll update you more later. Okay, I just want to show you all this real quick, okay? That hole is not perfectly lined up with that. So I fucked up. I torqued it down. I torqued down that first bolt, and I shouldn't have done that. I should have got all the bolts started first and then torqued it down. So I'm going to have to go back and loosen that, and then turn it back to here and get at least this bolt in and get it not tight, but you know, a little snug, and then get the third one in, get them all snug, and then torque them down. So this is pretty agitating here, but at least we're getting her done. So I'll be back. Okay, I just want to show you something here. See, that is way more lined up than it was. I mean, it was close last time, but it wasn't close enough where I could get the bolt started. It kept going in, trying to go in crooked. So normally when I align stuff, I just stick a screwdriver in there and pull one way or the other till it's lined up. But that has threads in it, and it's a very intricate, precise part, so I didn't want to fuck it up. So I actually use this bolt that has threads on it, so I don't fuck up the existing threads that are in there. And I believe that we're nice and lined up now. We're gonna try. I'll show you, but we'll see here. See what happens. Well, if there's enough room here. Well, I'll have to get back with you. Give me a minute. Okay, it's going in nice and straight now and easy. And so again, I'm going to do the same thing with this. I'm not going to tighten it all the way down. I'm just going to get a little snug. Move on to the third one, and then torque all 3 of them down one by one. So I'll be back. Okay, I'll update you on the progress. That bolt for the shifter cable. Got that on there. Got the bracket on there and the nut tight. I got the front wiring harness plugged in on my transmission. I got all the ground wires connected back. I got the struts back in place and tightened down. Here's the other one.
Classic hits.
Let's see. I got the electric fan and everything put back in. Things is going really good. I'm kind of surprised how smoothly stuff is going back together. And also over here, I got this half shaft put in the transmission. It's in there. And I got the spindle put back in. And I got those two bolts connected too. I still got a ways to go yet, but I'm getting her done. So I'll be back.